Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if left clicking is not working on your Windows 10 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So beyond the idea of just a simple faulty mouse, let's go ahead and open up the Start menu, and you want to type in Settings. Best match should come back with Settings above Trusted Microsoft Store app. You want to left click on that one time to open it up. Keep in mind that Microsoft does change their layout for this stuff pretty frequently, so it might look a little different when you guys are here. But you basically want to go underneath something that's going to resemble the mouse settings. So if you go through here, you can see Devices, Bluetooth, Printers, Mouse. We're going to go underneath there because we want to go check out our mouse settings. And we're going to go left click on the Mouse tab on the left side here. You want to go underneath, select your primary button, make sure it's set to left. So if your traditional left is your general button and right is right clicking, this would be for you. And that should hopefully be about it as well. So if that is still not resolving your problem and you've already restarted your computer, I would suggest opening up the Start menu, type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. You want to right click on it, left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, left click on Yes. And I'm going to have a couple commands that I want you guys to run in this tutorial. So the first one would actually be, if you go up to the top bar here, right click on it, left click on Edit, and then left click on Paste. Just would hit Enter and let it begin running. This will take a few minutes to run, and then I would suggest restarting your computer. There'll be a couple more commands I will also include in the description of the video as well. And just go ahead and follow that instruction as well. Again, restarting your computer in between all of those is what I would suggest doing. And once you've done that, hopefully you'll be good. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out. And as always, thanks for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.